Welcome to my channel. How is everyone? You have seen this video title in thumbnail today. As you know, writing and selling book can make money, but how to write and where to sell? Watch this video in full. My new children's coloring book I have self-published on Amazon.com. What is inside this book? You can read all the details from description. You can create children's coloring book and other books to sell on Amazon and make money. Go to Amazon.com for any help. Visit their help pages direct by Google or check out my blog for their links. You can hit blog links in description. But how to create children's coloring book and write other books and earn money? You can watch Amazon support videos on YouTube to hit I button above or the links in the video's description. Coloring book for kids available on Amazon.com and other Amazon marketplaces. Thanks for watching. To share this video, you can help those who need this book. If you are new on this channel, subscribe my channels and press the shape of bell icon. Take care yourself. See you in the next video.